In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to set up collections in Shopify. There are two types of collections that can be set up in Shopify: manual and automated. For a manual collection first, we will be heading on over to your Shopify admin. From there, seek out products, and then proceed to collections. It is here where we will be building the foundation of your collection. Once you've navigated to this point, click on Create Collection. Pretty simple so far, wouldn't you say? Next, you will have an opportunity to personalize your collection. It's time to choose a catchy title and a coherent description that will aptly represent your collection. This information will guide your customers and also help drive traffic to your store from search engines, so remember to make it count. Now, under the option labeled Collection Type, make sure to select Manual. This is where it gets a bit more interesting. Navigate to the Products section, specifically the area where the Browse button is located, and click it. A list of all your products will pop up, and here you can handpick the products you want to be part of the collection. In addition to all these crucial steps, you also have the option to adorn your collection with an appropriate image. This can add a level of visual appeal and recognition to your collection. You can also manage which sales channel will display your collection. Finally, once you've input all the relevant details, click on the Save button. Your manual collection has now been set up. The process for creating an automated collection starts out in a similar vein. Navigate to your Shopify admin and proceed to Products, then Collections. Likewise, click Create Collection. Enter a title and description for your collection to provide clear details about what kind of products people can expect in this particular collection. The difference arises under the Collection Type option. Here, you need to select Smart. This option is perfect for those who prefer Shopify to automatically sort products for them. You will need to set conditions for your automated collection. Within the possibility of conditions, you're presented with options like Product Tag, Price, or Product Type. For instance, if you wish to create a sale collection, here's an example of how you could set the condition. Select a product comparison where the compare at price is greater than $0. Once you've made your selection, click on the Save button. Voila! Your automated collection is all set and ready. There you have it. You now know how to set up manual and automated collections in Shopify. This skill will enable you to categorize your products effectively, which, in turn, can greatly improve customer shopping experience.